Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. If we are all here, let's get start our meeting. First of all, I'd like you to please join me in welcoming Vina, our West Area Sales Vice President.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
And also, allow me to welcome the newcomer. Let me introduce Gina Aprilia to our development team. She is a new sales marketing supervisor. Gina just joined our development team a month ago.
Thank you for having me too. I hope we all can work together and bring this company to the top.
Okay, Dina, let me introduce other colleges. This is Aulia Ilhami, the R&D Chemist Supervisor. This is Agnia Nafisa, the Packaging Design Supervisor. And this is Wiwi Febiana, the Advertising Supervisor. My name is Desta Prameswari, the Managing Director. And unfortunately, our National Sales Director, Nabila Putri, can be with us today. She is in Turkey at the moment, developing our Far East sales force.
I see. It's alright and nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Does everyone get the copy of today's agenda?
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Let's get started. We are here today to discuss three main points about the company's financial condition, the development of products quality, and the profit maximization. First, let's go over to the report from the last meeting, which was held on August 15th. Aulia, over to you.
Thank you, boss. Let me just summarize the main point of the last meeting. We discussed the target group, the package of product, and the product price. It can be concluded that the target group is teenager aging between 16 and 25 years old. Secondly, the package of product should be changed into a modern and attractive package. Finally, the product price should not be over 70,000 rupiah. Otherwise, it's too expensive for our target group purchasing power. You will find a copy of the main idea developed and discussed in this session in the mail I sent.
The feedback of the product from the target group was very great. The financial condition at present will be explained by Dina.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dina Aprilia. I am the new sales marketing supervisor. I am going to talk about overview of the company financial condition. To start with, I'll describe about the product sales. Then I'll mention the sales reduced in August and September. Finally, I will have discussed with the sales reduced in October. I'll be glad to answer all of your questions about my presentation. Let's begin by the product sales. Product sales in an selling of product or service in return of money or compensation or service. Product sales in when a customer buys a product or service will fulfill a need of theirs. Product product sales in when a customer buys a product or service will fulfill a need of theirs. The number of products sold in a given time period helps in determining the product sales. It is a critical parameter in understanding the business of a company. As I have studied information about product sales, they decreased constantly from August to October. That's all I have to say about the product sales. Let me turn now the step to increase product sales. The step to increase product sales. 1. Step up a sales intensive program. 2. Encourage your staff to upsell. 3. Differentiate your customer as compared to competitor. 4. Set up a customer reward program which help in increasing brand loyalty. 5. Distribute free sample to customer. We have looked at this slide, the step to increase product sales. Now we will move on to example of product sales. Example of product sales. 1. Direct sales, product which are being sold directly to the customer. 2. Door-to-door sales. A sales team can go to the each and every potential customer and sell the products. 3. Retail. Companies sell their goods through retail chains. 4. Telemarketing. Calling customer through telemarketer. 5. B2B. Business to business. Companies can sell their goods directly. In conclusion, we will do our best so that the company's product sales can increase every month. Thank you for being such as attention audience. Are there any questions?
Thank you, Dina. So we have a big plan to develop the product's quality in order to increase profits to our company. However, the target group remains consistent. Let's talk about the development of products quality, especially the improvement of quality of ingredients. It will be explained by Aulia.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aulia Ilhami. I'm the R&D chemist professor in this company. First, I will explain the responsibilities of this position. The R&D chemist is responsible for all steps of formal development from ideation to final formulation. Primary responsibilities will be the innovation of new products, technology transfer, and cost saving. In this position, we'll need to demonstrate formulation and innovation skill in skin, hair, body, and household with an emphasis on household. In addition to these main responsibilities, the R&D chemist also has additional responsibility including develop new in develop new innovative marketable products, revise or reformulate existing reformulas, and break down or revise engineer competitive products. Responsibilities including all aspects of development from stability to full production scale-up. Initiate, develop, and create innovative products to expand the R&D formulation library and enhance customer product presentation. Write, review, and approve production batch procedure and monitor pilot and scale-up batch. Research and initiate R&D cost saving to meet their goals. Continuous improvement of technical skill by participating in vendor seminars, class, and additional schooling in the cosmetic field. Special project and independent research work with QC to help troubleshooting production batch. Other responsibilities including research of raw materials, vendor management, stability testing or evaluation, and product presentation. Formulation chemists will be managing the development of multiple products simultaneously and should be comfortable in a fast-paced multitasking environment. My purpose today is to talk about improving the quality of ingredients for product manufacture. To start with this presentation, I will describe about the steps we take to develop the product that we are going to produce. Then I will explain about the material we will use to make our product. After that, I will consider the benefit of the new ingredients that will be added in this product manufacture. Finally, I will discuss with you about the new formula case. I will try to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by the step we take to develop the product that we are going to produce. Our team has concluded research to develop the formula for the product that we are going to make. First, we have done research and informed collecting. In this stage, we have conducted an analysis of customer needs, literature that examines the scope of a project, the extent of use, supporting condition, appropriate step to develop the product, and an overview of the result of previous research as comparison for product development, then conduct field studies or small-scale research. Second, we have carried out planning, which includes research objective, formulation of subject and test location, cost, energy, time, and other supporting facilities, and formulating the qualification of researchers and forms of participation in research such as product determination, initial product preparation, road testing, initial product in the field, refinement of the draft, trial of the improved draft, testing of the final product to distribution, and dissemination of the resulting product. The third stage is developing preliminary from product. In this stage, we have made a rough draft or initial design of the product we are going to make. The fourth stage is preliminary field testing. At this stage, we work together with experts or practitioners in field of beauty to develop the initial design of the product that we will make. Then, in the fifth stage of the main product revision, at this stage, the experts in the field of beauty conduct trials or evaluation of the product we have developed, and this is an estimate that is based on logical analysis and consideration from research and beauticians. Then the sixth stage is the main field test. At this stage, we conduct trial with several people. In practice, the research conduct intensive observation and record things that must be done by respondent who help improve the initial product. The seventh stage is operational product revision. This stage is the stage of product refinement from the results of trials that have been carried out previously. The next stage is operational field testing. At this stage, we are testing again on more perfect cosmetics so that the product we developed meet the standard from BPOM. The next stage is the final product revision. At this stage, we have conduct and feasibility test on the product to be produced. That's all I have to say about the step we take to develop the product that we are going to produce. Let me turn now to material we will use to make our product. In the first stage, the formula used was only aqua or water, ethyl methoxynitrate, and glycerin. Then, to develop the product to be made, we add several ingredients including hyaluronic acid and UV protection SPF 50 PA++++. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring glycosaminoglycan found throughout the body's connective tissue, skin, and the clear lining of the eyes. Glycosaminoglycan are simply long unbranched carbohydrate or sugar called polysaccharide. Hyaluronic acid is the main component of what gives our skin structure. Mainly, the function of hyaluronic acid is to hold water in the skin tissue so that it remains well lubricated and still feels moist and supple. This the water will not evaporate out of the body. We decided to use hyaluronic acid level of 130 tons after we conducted a study of 1666 female subjects between 30 and 60 years of age with clinical signs of wrinkles. They were asked to apply various molecular weights 0.1% hyaluronic acid cream including 50, 130, 300, 800, and 2,000 kilotons. After 1 month, they found that treatment with 130 kilotons hyaluronic acid was the most effective, increasing skin elasticity by 20%. Both the 50 and 130 kilotons group had significant improvement in wrinkle depth and skin roughness after 60 days. All the other molecular weight still improves elasticity and skin hydration, just less so, just less so than the two weight above 50, 130 daltons. The takeaway being that hyaluronic acid between 50 to 1,000 daltons is beneficial for the skin, with 130 daltons being the best according to human studies. And we use UV protection SPF 50 PA+++ because we need to make sure that the UVB protection provided by the SPF is sufficient for the skin. We assess using SPF 50 or 30 is less effective in protecting the skin from UVB rays. SPF 50 provides 93% protection where there are 7 photons or UV-light units that can penetrate the skin. SPF 30 provides 97% protection where there are 3 photons that can penetrate the skin. SPF 50 provides 98% protection where there are 3 photons that can penetrate the skin. Although the number of photons differs slightly between SPF 30 and SPF 50. Choosing a sunscreen with an SPF of 50 is much better than a sunscreen with an SPF of 30. In addition to SPF 50, it is also important to choose a sunscreen with PA+++ content to get good UV protection too. We have looked in this slide that we will add 2 ingredients to perfect the product. Let's move to benefit of the new ingredients that will be added. We choose to add hyaluronic acid and UV protection SPF 50 PA+++ because hyaluronic acid is to maintain skin health and elasticity, wound healing, maintain skin moisture content, loss of antioxidants, slow cycle of premature aging, shows acne scars, and regenerate skin. And UV protection SPF PA+++ has benefit for protect the skin from sun's UV better. In conclusion, is that after we carried out the steps to develop this product, we determined that ingredient used to make the product were aqua water, ethylacyl methoxyamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and UV protection SPF 50 PA++++. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions?
I'm sorry, but I'm still not clear about hyaluronic acid. Can you clarify the term of hyaluronic acid?
Acid is a kind of fatty and acetylglucosamine and diglucuronic acid of the structure unit of macromolecular polysaccharide. A rigid cylindrical spiral on the space structure protects strong hydrophilicity and combined with the water molecules lock it in the double helix columnar structure, make the moisture not easily lost. So it is of special water effect. It's currently the best moisturizing effect substance found in nature. known as the ideal natural moisturizing factor, can firmly lock 1,000 times the weight of its own moisture and make the skin to maintain enough moisture and feeling elasticity.
It's a good idea. What about you? What do you think?
I think that if too many ingredients might cause the increasing of production costs. That is, our product price will be raised and will. Another reason is that our target group is teenagers, so it's possible that they may not have purchasing power.
I agree with Dina. The product price shouldn't be raised immediately during the booming project. This can be related to the image of our company.
I don't think so. We should focus on the quality of product more than the price. Most consumers rather take into account the result they get than the price. If our product is less quality and the price is competitive, I'm sure that if it's possible that customers may not buy our product. I think that we should then to the quality of product. If you are worried about the price, I suggest that we should change a new brand name to another new product with fantastic ingredients so that product price can be raised patiently without comparing the matter with the quality and the price between the previous product and the new product. Change a new name and page of product persuade customers to understand that the previous product and the new product are very different although we only add some ingredients into cream.
It's a great idea, but I think that you might not reach the meeting's objective. Our objective is to enhance the popularity of cosmetic products. If we bring cream into the markets, now Alia is talking about adding some ingredients into cream to enhance the efficiency of products. For the price, let's not rush into anything. I think we should postpone this decision. Anyone else express opinion?
I agree with Aulia about adding the new ingredients because it responds to the needs of the target group, teenagers.
If Gina and Agnia are worried about the product price, it won't be too high. I confirm the ingredients can be selected to be suitable for the price of product that is definite, so don't worry about it.
Anything else? No.
No,
No,
So
No.
let me summarize what Aulia said. Our new formula of product will add hyaluronic acid and UV protection SPF 15 50 PA. Hyaluronic acid has a unique feature that keeps the skin moisture, and UV protection SPF 50 PA++ help to protect the skin from sun's UV better. Okay, let's move on. Modification of products package to be more attractive. Can we hear from Agnia on this?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Agnia Nafisa. I'm the packaging design supervisor. I'm responsible for driving the customer's attention while relaying important information and giving the item its purchase power. Leads the design process for packaging materials for product, works with clients to understand their needs, evaluates consumers and market trends for packaging materials, collaborates with marketing and creative teams, especially graphic designers and copywriters, to create eye-catching design, presenting design to client and stakeholder using Sketch and design software, redesign prototype based on feedback from clients and engineers and consumer safety group. Now, I'm going to talk about the modification of products package. To start with, I will explain about the bad side of the last package. Then I will show the new package. Finally, I will have discussed with the modification and new design of the products package. I will try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. Let's begin by the bad side of the last package. For the last package, the cap of the jar is not give a luxurious feel and appearance. Moreover, jar packaging is not hygienic. Picking up with the cream with one's finger can lead to the transfer of bacteria from the hands to the product. Obviously, that level of contamination is unlikely when it's just you using your own products at home, but dipping your finger in and out of the jar every day does increase the risk of bacterial growth, and you could be transferring some of these bacteria to your skin. The presence of bacteria in a cream can change its pH. Jar packaging it also encourages ingredients to oxidize faster because they expose the formula to air and light with each use. At best, a product with oxidized ingredients will simply be less effective. That's all I have to say about the last package. Now we will move on to the new package. For the new package, it must not only be unique, exceptional, and visually appealing, it must also match with the product, the brand, and the age group of the target consumers. So I decided to change our product to make more attractive by changing the jar to the tube. The tube packaging is easier to carry and allow the one-handed application, which is more hygienic for the user. Additionally, tubes allow you to squish out every last drop of product, providing a better value. This also means tubes are useful for reactive brands, constantly bringing out new product in line with marketing trends, because tube packaging can be produced quickly, relatively cheaply, and in large quantities. New products can hit the shelf fast. Cosmetic tubes are also very easy to recycle, which make them a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers.
Sorry to interrupt, but I think
Sorry, Willy. Can we let Agnia finish, please? Go ahead.
Okay, that's all I have to say about the advantage of tube package. Let me turn now to the modification and new design of the product package. I designed your package by using polyfoil tube. The polyfoil tube technology provides 100% protection from light. In addition, I will change the packaging color from yellow to soft pink color because many people immediately associate the color with the things feminine and girly. Some shades of soft pink are described as relaxing, while very bright, vibrant shade can be stimulating or even aggravating. In conclusion, we will switch the jar to the tube design and modify the packaging design to be more attractive to target consumers. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions?
Willy, what do you think about that?
Sorry, I'm afraid I don't agree. Because I think the new page gag will affect to the level of sales and we must introduce the product again to the customers.
That's that sounds great, Yui. I like any package. The color looks sweet and more fascinating to possess it.
It's okay, you have a good idea. However, I would like you to control the price of package as well to avoid the too high production costs.
Don't worry, Desta. I know the financial condition of company well.
Great.
Great. So, Agnia, what you are saying is right, but we have to focus on product sterility so that customers are satisfied, and changing the packaging to be more hygienic is the best solution. Moreover, the new packaging that we will use will be uniquely designed so that it attracts the interest of many more customers. Do you have other ideas?
No.
No,
Let's go on to think about the profit maximization. I would like you to participate in expressing some ideas about giving special promotion to customers, and we have to let the expert to explain it. Vina, it's your turn.
In my opinion, in my opinion, I would like to offer buy to get the on for 50%. It's more interesting because of the company's financial condition decreased constitutionally during 3 months ago.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Fersmawati. I'm West Area Sales Vice President. You need to know an experienced Vice President of Sales and Marketing will be needed in directing and supervising the marketing department of the startup company. The position of Vice President of Sales and Marketing can be interpreted as Vice President of Sales and Marketing who ideally has solid work experience in managing promotion. They will then gather customer, competition, and market intelligence to support new product development and have to development and execution and cutting-edge marketing strategies. People in this position will be closely related to sales, product development, and other functions who will then report to the CEO. They should also brief market intelligence process that identify trends to point the need for apparent now product of service. Then the duties and responsibilities of Vice President of Marketing and Sales can be started are first, directly and coordinating the company's sales and marketing function. The second, develop and coordinate sales and methodologies. The third is directing and supervising the company's marketing function to identify and develop new customer for product and service. The next, research and develop studies and plans that identify marketing opportunities, direct marketing, and new project development. The next, analyze and evaluate the effectiveness of sales methods, costs, and results. The next, develop and manage sales and marketing budget. The oversees the development and management of internal operating budgets. Now I'm going to talk about a promotion system that will maximize sales profit. To start with, I will describe two systems that I have thought of. Finally, I will explain the new system promotion to our product. I will ask for opinion from all of you about my presentation, and I will try to answer the question about the presentation. Okay, let's begin by promoting the product that we will produce. As we can see today, the sales profit is increased if we promote it via online in the form of content that will be created by celebrities. However, since the budget is quite large, if we use serve many celebrity service. What if we use only one celebrity who can promote the product that we are going to launch? Then we will open a discount if they come directly to our official store. That's all I have to say about promotion, the product that we will produce. Before I continue my presentation, I'd like to get some ideas about who the celebrities can make our profit increase.
How about Fidel JD? Because there are so many shops that use his endorsement service and the results are satisfying, store profits increase.
I agree with his opinion.
I agree with you, but he is a boy. We have to look for female celebrities who are trending and have factors that are able to support our products that can attract the target.
What about Fuji? She is one of
Agree with you, but I agree with you.
Yes, I agree with you.
And then,
But he is a boy. We have to look for female celebrities who are trending and have factors that are able to support our products that can attract the target.
how about the discount system we will use?
I think any promotion by Tribute One is interesting. It is to increase sales and profit for the company. Also, some of the profit will be returned to the customer.
Tina. How about you?
In my opinion, I would like to offer buy to get the third on to one for 50%. If is more interesting because of the company's financial condition decreased consistently during 3 months ago.
I agree with Dina because Indonesian people prefer buying things on sale. Offering customers discount on purchase is a way to quickly draw people to buy our product. Anytime we tell a customer that they can save money, our product likely to get their attention. They also help our company. From increased sales to improved reputation, discounts may be the one ingredient that can bring our company's profit success.
I think so, Agnia.
Well, all of your ideas are good. In conclusion, we have new methods to promote our products to customers. So I will use your opinion. We will open 2 sessions in promoting. The first selling method we use is buy 3 get 1 free to attract customer. If the customer is comfortable with our product, then we will use the buy 2 method. Then product 3 gets a 15 discount percent to increase our finance. As you can see, we are developing new method to promote our product to customer, and we will endorse Fuji to promotion our product. Okay, thank you very much for your attention for listening to my explanation about our new system promotion our product. Are there any question?
No.
No,
Well, it's concluded that the special promotion of product is giving discount and interesting offers that can attract customer and convince them that they can save more money. Even though it has an effect on our. The last point today is advertising on media. Vivi, I know that you have prepared a statement on this topic, right?
Right. Good morning, everyone. My name is Viv Hebiana Basyawati. I'm the advertising supervisor. I'm going to talk about the last point today is advertising on television media. To start, I will explain digital marketing a very important role for a company. Then, I will explain about television media that we will use in product promotion. After that, I will explain language and norms that need to be considered in promoting cosmetic products. Finally, I will have discussed with the last point today is advertising on television media. I will be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by digital marketing, a very important role for a company. In the last decade, the world globally has shown a paradigm shift to digital. More and more people consume all kinds of information online, showing the development of the internet and technology that is increasingly sophisticated and all digital, making digital marketing a very important role for a company. This makes digital marketing the best way to reach targeted customers. That's all I have to say about the last point today is advertising on media. Let me to now to start this promotion from the TV, general media, then move to other media like Instagram, Facebook, etc. We've looked at television media has the ability to demonstrate a product to its viewers simultaneously with attention and passion. Viewer can immediately see how the product is used and utilized by the cast in the ad video. But the case of cosmetic product advertisement on the television show 1. Playing identity using attributes and or location related to health profession or authority. 2. Played by state official in commercial advertisement or public service advertisement of a product or company for commercial purpose. State officials should not be included in advertisement made solely for personal gain. State administration can only act as an advertisement for the benefit of the institution under their control. 3. They must be infant expect cosmetic preparation for infants. Even so, I think television has a broad market reach to that. Television media is still an effective and targeted promotional activity. As an effective medium to carry out advertising activities, television media can be immediately successful. However, success is determined by carefully looking at market opportunities. Advertising through television media has many advantages, some of which are as follows. 1. Make product more quickly recognized and remembered by people. 2. Introducing all the advantages of the product more clearly. 3. Attracts a large number of fans more quickly because it can be reached by sight and hearing. However, apart from having the advantage of advertising through television media, it also has disadvantages, some of which are as follows. 1. The costs used to create advertisement through television media are quite high. 2. Sometimes giving too high expectation. 3. Viewers don't really like watching commercial, especially because there are so many television programs that we own station is on pause. The audience usually switch to another program and skip the ad. Let's move on to language and nouns that need to be considered in promoting cosmetic product. A. Language. The choice of words in the promotion of cosmetic is relegated in the regulation of the head of the POM No. 18 of 2016 concerning advertisement to religion of the head of the Food and Drug Supervision Agency number 1 of 2016 concerning technical guidelines of supervision of cosmetic advertising with the following details. 1. Using the word treat, cure, and or words or sentences that have the same meaning as if to treat a disease. 2. Using the word halal if cosmetics have not obtained an official certificate from the competent authority. 3. Using the word safe, free, harmless, no side effects, and or word sentences that have the same meaning. Using the word potent and or what that have the same meaning. 5. Using the word only number 1 for most of most and or which have the same meaning when associated with product benefits. 6. Using the word much more and or words or sentences that have the same meaning which is associated with the benefit of the product unless it is compared the product it is itself and is clearly stated. Now, cosmetic promotion activities should comply with the provision of applicable norms, but not using advertising content that contain the following. One, contrary to the norm of the decency and public order. 2. Using the flag, state emblem, and or national anthem. 3. Displaying inappropriately degradingly natural heroes and or state monuments. 4. Allowing any form of discrimination, including those based on the ethnicity, nationality, religion, gender, A. Disability, profession or occupation, disease or sexual orientation. 5. Disparaging companies, organization, industrial or commercial activities or other products. 6. Exploiting eroticism or sexuality. 7. Contending that my support act of violence justify on condone violence. 8. Exploiting the misfortune, suffering, and or cancer of the community. 9. Generate or play with fear or take advantage of people's belief in superstition. In conclusion, television media is the right medium for you to start into promoting the product we are going to sell. Be paying attention to the actor will advise the product as well as the language and norm that I explained earlier. Thank you for being such an attentive audience. Are there any questions?
I don't agree with advertising on TV. The cost for the advertising is very expensive also or as well film on local station. The reason that advertising on TV is expensive in that it broadcast to customers for more quickly. Looking at the company's current financial condition, it is not enough liquidity to advertise on TV. But we can reconsider it when the company's financial condition has improved and customers have started to know and feel comfortable using our products.
It's reasonable. I agree with Dina. For now, we can advertise in magazine and internet.
Well, we can turn to magazine and the internet to promote products.
It looks as though we have covered the main items. Would you like to add anything?
Now,
No.
So let me summarize what we have already talked today. First, we have talked about make stable company's financial condition. Number 2, our new formula of product will add hyaluronic acid and UV protection SPF 50 PA+++ because it will be good for the quality. 3, we will make a new package. 4, there are discount and special offer on our new promotion. 5, advertising through magazine and the internet. Okay, it looks as though we have covered the main items. Is there any other business or no one has any ideas?
Can we fix the next meeting, please?
Good idea, Aulia. How does Monday in 2 weeks time sounds to everyone? Let's meet at the same time at 2 o'clock. Is that okay for everyone? I think we can close the meeting now. Thank you everyone to participate in this meeting. Thank you very much.